Hello kids, I hope you all are read the lesson. So, shall I start the solving exercise? Shall I solve the exercise? Okay. 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. First, we should read the sentence and options, then only we choose that one and fill the correct answers. A. A bat is a dash dash dash. When you read the lesson, you understand what is a bat. Bat is a bird. Then right here, bat is a bird. Next, B. Dash dash is the part of the life cycle of a butterfly. Dash dash is the part of the life cycle of the butterfly caterpillar. Right here, caterpillar. Caterpillar is the part of the life cycle of a butterfly. C. The young frog is called as dash dash. It is called as a nymph, tadpole or pupa. Which one? Tadpole, correct. The young frog is called tadpole. Okay, the young frog is called tadpole. D. The dash dash gives birth to a baby. The dash dash gives birth to the baby. Dolphin, crocodile or sparrow. Sparrow and crocodile lay eggs. Only one is the dolphin. Dolphin give birth to a baby. Okay. Next, I am going to see name the following. A. The young one of a cockroach. The young one of the cockroach is called nymph. Right here, NYMPH. Next, B. A mammal that lives in water. Which one mammal lives in water? Dolphin. Because it gives direct birth to the young one. Right here, dolphin. C. Mammals have this on their bodies. Which one here? Mammals have hair. Mammals have hair on their bodies. HAIR. D. An animal that live on land and also in water. That is called a amphibian. Amphibian animal live on land and in water. Right here, amphibian. Next, E. Animals that lay eggs with soft leathery cell. Examples, give examples. Animals that those are live soft leathery cells. Snake, lizard. Okay. Next, 3. Explain the following terms in 2 or 3 sentences. Here terms are given. You explain upon reproduction. What is reproduction? How it happened? Okay. You write 2 or 3 sentences about reproduction. Turn the page. You will get the answer. Look here kids. Reproduction. Read this one carefully and remove the notes and write down about reproduction. Okay. Next, Life cycle. What is life cycle and its steps? Okay, turn the page, you will get a life cycle. Okay, look here, this one, see this one, life cycle of a frog, life cycle of a butterfly. What is a life cycle? Look, different stage of development of an animal from the embryo stage up to adult stage is called the life cycle. Okay, in a butterfly, how many steps are there? How many stages are there in life cycle? 4. In frog, how many stages are there life cycle? 5. In cockroach, how many stages are there in life cycle? 3. This type explain the life cycle. Next question. Next question is molting. Write 2 or 3 sentences about molting. Next one is hatching. Write about on molting and hatching. Turn the page. When you read the lesson, that time you will get a exact answer, correct answer. Molting means what? Look here. The shed their skin several times becoming an adult. The shedding of the old skin is a molting. Cockroach shed its skin several times before going to become a young one. This one is called the molting. Okay, now hatching. What is hatching? Look here. In some cases, the mother bird sit on the egg to provide them warmth. Once fully developed, the little chick break open the egg cell and come out. This process is called hatching. This type, when you read the lesson, you will get a explanation about reproduction, life cycle, molting and hatching. Understood, no kids? Okay, now we'll see the question answers. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. You read the question carefully and pause the video 2 minutes and try to find out the answer. Okay? What are some of the characteristics of mammal? What are the some characteristics of the mammals? I told you the characteristics of mammal. Yes or no? So, turn the page. If you read the lesson, that time only you get the answers. Otherwise, no. Look, kids. In this paragraph, you will get a characteristic of mammals. Mammals that give birth to young ones are called mammals or oviparous. The young ones develop inside the female animal's body and are delivered once the full-term young ones. Okay, mammals have hair on their body. They mammary glands to produce the milk in the females. The mother feeds this milk to newly born babies. Main is the mammal characteristic of mammal. Mammals give birth. Mammals give direct birth to their young ones. Characteristic of mammals. Mammals give direct birth to their young ones. Again one, they feed them their own milk. Mammals give direct birth to their young ones and they feed them their own milk. Okay? B. How do animals protect their eggs? How do animals protect their eggs? Look here in this paragraph. Animals protect their egg from being eaten by the other animals. Okay, animals protect their eggs from being eaten by the other animals. But how they protect? Animals lay egg there in a place where they were least likely to be eaten up their animals or insects. For example, some animals, butterfly, lay their eggs on the underside of the leaf. Cockroach lay their eggs in dark places, while crocodile dig and swallow pit near the sandy river bank to their legs. This type animals lay eggs. Okay, understood the kids? And they protect their eggs. Next question. Describe the internal structure of an egg. Describe the internal structure of an egg. In this page, internal structure, explained the internal structure. In this page, explained the internal structure of an egg. Look here, once time, I will read this one. The outermost part of an egg is the egg cell, which has a white jelly-like substance below it. It called albumen. The albumen is rich in protein. The yellow inner part of the egg is yolk. Yolk has rich in fat, vitamins and minerals. It provides nourishment to the developing baby, also called the embryo. The embryo develops into a chick. This is the internal structure of the egg. Next question is D. On which part of a plant do butterfly lay their eggs? On which part of a plant butterfly do they lay eggs? Here only we read this one. How the animals protect their lay eggs. Look here, kids. Butterfly lay their eggs on underside of the leaf, downside of the leaf, underside of the leaf to protect them. Okay. Next question, last one it is. Why do young one need special care? Why do young one need a special care? Because why do young one need a special care? Because other animal that may want to hunt them. In this picture, see kids how they are taking care of their mother animal, how taking care of their young ones. Because other animal that may want to hunt them. Other animal hunt them and they eat that one. So they need a special care of their parents. Understood, no kids? Here our question answers are finished. Horse. It is your homework and this is for you. A bat has wings and can fly, yet it is not a bird. Give reason. The whale live only in water, but it is not a fish. Why? The platypus has features of a mammals, yet it is not one. Explain why. This one, all question answers and hot question answers I will give to homework. You write down in your notebook. Understood, no kids? And it activity, collect the picture of animals and their babies. Stick them in your activity book. One activity for you. Collect the picture of animals and their babies, young ones. Stick them in your activity book. Understood, no kids? This one, all question answers, explain the term and hot question answers I will give you in homework. So until you read this one, and first of all write down in your textbook and next copy down in your notebook. Understood, no kids? Thank you for watching the video.